You can't buy the car by staring at the photographs. Your father has also stopped your pocket money.
You're right. And the money for this won't come from my dad.
Then what? Any new chick?
Oh, yes. A new girl whom my friend Shaurya is not able to convince.
So Shaurya lost the bet, right?
He will lose. The poor boy is not even able to hold the girl's hand yet.
Before the time limit of the bet gets over, I will make sure that girl is mine.
You see, I'll call you back, right? Bye. So, Shaurya, I was thinking that I should just book the car. Before the week comes to an end, I don't think Durga will be yours. But the car will surely belong to me.
Shaurya, why did you have to take so much of trouble for me? You could have called at office. I would have myself gone and get the tablet.
Come on, Durga. We are now partners. And people do so much for their partners.
Of course we are partners, Shaurya. But only business partners.
Well, for me, it is just the same. Think about it. 3 days back, we did not even know each other. And today?
And today you are my driver.
Driver. Well, you know what? For you, I can become anything, right from a driver to a servant to a maid to a gardener.
Shaurya, you're funny.
When you laugh, you look very pretty. You are my life. You're my destiny. I write the destiny of people like you. And according to your destiny, you will cry.
Now in your future, only Durga is there. I'll make sure that I come in your life like death.
Durga, can I be honest?
Why? You are not?
Come on, Durga. I am not joking. I really want to tell you something.
Okay, tell me, Shaurya.
You must have heard a lot about me. That Shaurya Goenka, he's a player who roams around with girls all the time, etc., etc. This is what people think about me. Before, this reputation would not hamper me. But nowadays, I am a little worried about it.
Tension? Why?
After meeting you. Because I don't consider you as just a friend.
Please, Shaurya, enough.
Durga, I want to be honest with you and direct too. I'm falling for you.
Well, take care, Shaurya. Don't fall too bad. You would also get hurt.
Well, Durga, you're not able to understand my feelings.
Shaurya, please. For now, we are good as friends. And anyways, we have just got out together. Let's see where we reach. But for now, concentrate on the road.
For the time being, my full attention is on the road, like a good driver. Now, I need a co-driver. You can try your level best from escaping from me, but the more you try running away, the more trouble you will get into, Durga. I will make sure that I obtain you and make sure that you dance around to my tunes. This is my promise.
Good morning.
Good morning.
1 minute, Shaurya. No one has lit up the lamp of the temple. If you don't mind, can I light the lamp?
Please.
With your blessings, goddess, everything will be all right.
Do you remember where it's kept?
Well, I don't remember. Don't know where did I keep it? Got it. It's there. No idea how it came here. Oh God. It was not near to me. I was getting worried. I've got used to this. But now we can leave.
But why so early? We've just come here. Let's have some coffee, soup.
Not today, Shaurya. Today I have...
I know you have a meeting with your NGO. You know what? I'm so jealous. I wish I was your NGO.
Shaurya,
Hmm?
where's the washroom?
What?
I was asking, where's the washroom?
Oh, go straight. Take a left.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Shaurya, can you please take care of this? Else I would forget it in the washroom this time.
Sure.
I'll wait for you downstairs near the car.
As you say.
Thank you. Go ahead, Shaurya. There's a surprise for you in my tablet. Enjoy. Let Mathur and Chaudhary sit and wait at the restaurant now, and I will complete the second part of the plan.
So she likes flowers and soft music? That's great. And when I had sent in flowers, I didn't even receive a thank you message also. So you still have doubts regarding me in your mind? Okay, I'm happy that at least you have questions.
There's a fire in the building. Everyone leave the premises now. Run, run. Leave this building.
Security, why are the alarms ringing?
There is a fire upstairs, sir.
Where? Which floor?
Floor which houses your office, sir. Come on, run fast. Hurry up, sir. Don't go, stop. Sir.
Why is the fire alarm
The
on?
fourth floor has been caught in fire.
Where is Shaurya?
He's also on the fourth floor.
How did you allow that? Why did you let him go inside?
Ma'am, we tried stopping him, but
Who else is there on this
no
floor?
one. We are in the process of clearing all the floors.
You couldn't stop Shaurya. If something happens to him, you'll be responsible.
What a wonderful opportunity you have given me, God. Come on, Shaurya. Go ahead and bring your girl. Bring her in your arms and show her the fire you have within yourself. I didn't know it'll be so easy. I never knew that this will be so easy. Here I come, Durga.
Yes, sir. Everything is clear on top. I'm just taking Mathur sir's cabin. Sir, there is no one in Mathur sir's cabin.
Shaurya! Shaurya! What are you doing here? Why did you come here? Are you okay?
Well, I'm fine. I've come to look for Durga.
Shaurya, what is Durga doing over here?
Relax, Mom. She had forgotten her tablet here and we had come to get it. She was in the bathroom and I was waiting for her in the car. And when the alarm rang and she didn't come downstairs, so I came upstairs.
And did you see her here?
Well, she's not here for sure.
Not even downstairs.
She must be in the washroom. Let me check.
Madam, all the floors are clear. It was a false alarm.
If it was a false alarm, then please close it down.
Yes.
Guard,
Yes, ma'am.
where is Mr. Mathur?
Mr. Mathur has left an hour back for a client meeting.
Call him immediately. Tell him I want to meet him urgently.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Guard. Guard. Is anyone there?
Yes, madam.
There's such a lot of sensitive information in this office. Papers, files, all of it. And Mr. Mathur has left this office door open so carelessly. Please be careful. Even the computer is on. Please switch it off.
All clear. All workers can get back to your work. All's clear.
Give me the walkie-talkie. The lady who had come in with Shaurya, has she been spotted?
Good morning, ma'am. Well, we could not find her there.
Okay, thank you. I want this office locked, and as soon as Mr. Mathur comes back, please inform me.
Yes, madam.
And one more thing. Go to the CCTV room and get me the footage of the girl who came with Shaurya.
Yes, madam.